We have for sale a 2017 Jayco QBDS, 31QBDS that is. Look at this large outdoor kitchen. This is perfect for getting those meals together, entertaining. This Jayco is equipped with a thermal package, which means it'll stay warm in the fall and the spring and also extra cool in the summertime. This rig has been professionally renovated top to bottom. And I just want to start quick in the primary bedroom because for a travel trailer, this is a large bedroom. It's huge, full RV queen size bed, storage underneath it on hydraulic lifts, so it's easy to access. And then you have this closet bank here that will keep everything you need to bring along on your next adventure. We installed a mirror so you can get ready as you go out to the beach or go hiking or whatever. And there's an exterior entrance and exit here in the master bedroom, which is really nice. Primary living space features a nice couch slash futon, additional sleeping there. And then this great dinette that has storage below in the benches and then also folds down and can operate as additional sleeping as well. We installed this fireplace over here, which is not just aesthetical, it also kicks out heat, so you don't have to necessarily turn on the furnace if things are getting a little chilly. You can fire up the fireplace. And then there's this great kitchen in here. We put in a huge single basin sink with a residential faucet. You have a very large RV fridge, not quite residential, but it's very large for an RV of this size. And then there's extra storage and pantry area over here down by the bedroom. So plenty of room to put everything that you need. The bathroom is a full bathroom. So we have a beautiful sink, tub, shower area, Palisade tiles around, so everything's waterproof, it's clean. Again, professionally renovated, beautiful vanity here. And so everything you need in the bathroom space, including 2 skylights above the shower and just above the toilet area. And then there's also a 3rd skylight, a huge one, in the kitchen area. And this RV features 7-foot ceilings, so you don't have to bend down if you're running a little bit on the taller side. It offers just a lot of extra headroom. So through this wall here is the bunk room. And so at the front of the unit is a 3-bed bunk room. It is amazing, perfect space for the kids. There's this bench that has storage in it. There's this closet that has storage in it. There's a false floor in that closet that has storage in it. And under this bed, there's a big storage area that also has a door that goes to the exterior. So this RV features tons of storage, tons of room. It's about 8,000 pounds, so it is half-ton pullable if your half-ton vehicle is set up properly. If you have any questions, let us know. The listing's online, extra pictures. We can always send more video, or again, if you have questions, we're more than happy to get back to you with answers. So